Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to unlink or disconnect bank from Robinhood. So let's quickly dive into it. So if you want to unlink your bank from Robinhood using your mobile app, it's quite simple. Just launch your app and log in into your account. Then tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Then select the three-line menu or tap the transfer icon. Then choose the linked account. Then find the bank account you want to remove. Tap on it. Then select remove or unlink. Confirm your choice when prompted. And if you want to disconnect or link using the website, you can also launch your browser, then input the URL, which is robinhood.com, and log in into your account. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, then select linked account under transfer. Then after that, you have to find your connected bank account, click on link or remove next to it, then confirm the action to disconnect the bank, and that's it. So once removed, you can always link a new bank account later under transfer. So if you want to link, just click the transfer option, then click linked account, then tap add account, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.